Bromsdale Corps. He's won several major shows this year. The reserve team female champion was Leah Williams from Aberberry, Real Africa, with Margaret by winner. It is the first time that she has been shown. The reserve male champion going to Kevin Thomas from Newcastle, England, with his wild red Fabulous. The reserve female champion again going to Wilfred Taylor, limited with Greyhood Echo. Other first prize winners are in the Jarraways, were Leslie Jones from Brixworth in Northamptonshire and Mrs. Hines from Newent in Gloucestershire. As we move on to the British Guns, approaching the grandstand, their champion this year came from R.G. Davis from the Howard, near Lampeter, with Ron Nadu Darius. Won quite a number of shows, including the local show at Aberystwyth. The